This is the second video of explanation of the tool that I have talked about in the previous one. So I'm planning to make this one shorter than the previous video. So first of all, I would like to thank each and every one of you who supported and participated in the tool and how beneficial it is, and I hope it will match your expectations as I will be sharing it with you along with this video. And hopefully you will work with it yourself and give me a feedback or any insight on how to make it better and how to make it even more beneficial. So in this short video, I'll just explain some more features that I have not explained in the previous video, so you can it will avoid any confusion that you might get, and hopefully if you have any problem or anything, just put it in the comments and we will talk about it. First thing, if you remember, this is the original file that has the macro, so you have to keep it open in the background as we have mentioned in the previous one. So first thing, if we hit Ctrl+Shift+L, which is the shortcut key, I have explained earlier these four buttons: convert, update, and check for import and import. Let me now introduce you to print instructions. So if we hit this button, it will open a brand new workbook. I just create this one so you'll have like a template for you, so you'll not miss any kind of information, or it will make it more smoothly when you are working with the file. So these are the columns that you need to copy from Primavera. If you recall, the first step is to copy the columns here. When you copy everything as we have done before, just make sure to show all these columns that are there for you. So these are the columns that you need to show, and also you need to make the activity ID column has to be the first column on the left, okay? And the order of the column does not matter except the one mentioned above, which is the activity ID column. This is the second one that I talked about also regarding exporting from Primavera. If you recall, during the process, we needed to export from Primavera a spreadsheet and then activities and then export. If you recall, we needed to show all these columns, so I just put it right there in front of you, so in case you needed to look at them, and just remember the order of these columns does not matter. So this is the first sheet, just under the name how to use. The second sheet that I have created for you is called the checklist. If you recall from the macro file, there is a button called check for import, the one that just tells us if there is a problem, if there is something that needs to be changed, all this stuff. So I just list down all the check point that I created, which what I'm saying to you is, if you happen to find any kind of check that I missed, just let me know and I will add it also to the tool, so it will be more beneficial for everyone. So these are the 17 checkpoints that I made. I encourage you to try it yourself and let me know if there is any problem you might encounter. So this is regarding the print instruction. To explain furthermore, I just want to highlight something that's very important, in case some of you, while you are working, happen to find it, and just I want to avoid the confusion from now. So it's just, if you copy all the data, I told you do not work inside the template itself, the original file. Let's say you forgot, you just click Ctrl+V and by accident you work on the file and you hit Ctrl+Shift+L and you created the template and the convert. You know what's happening here? What's happening is that there is another sheet here that's created called data, okay? And there is a third sheet that you do not see. It's a very hidden sheet. So even if you try to delete that, you will not be able to delete the one that's very hidden. So I created this button, which is the reset button. If you hit the reset button here and you click apply, it will remove everything from the opened workbook. So you need to make this workbook opened, and this one will solve this issue. Um, I'm not gonna try to make this video longer. So without any further ado, just I'm gonna send you the file right away. I hope you will work with it yourself, and please let me know if there is any way to enhance it. Um, Also, there's these two buttons. These are for grouping activities. I'm still working on it now, so I have not completely not completely done with that. So if you hit on it by accident, just still currently unavailable. But I tend to send you the first submittal or the first version of the file earlier, so you'll get me a quicker feedback, and so I can incorporate that along with the new features. So you will get it in the second version. Um, I hope you're enjoying the tool, and please let me know if you have any comment, and I'll be waiting for that. See you soon.